All right, finally got a day off. Thankfully, I'm able to work still with all this coronavirus crap going on. So let's go ahead get to the FC. A lot's been going on. I've pretty much been taking apart the internal, so I go ahead and start working on body metal work. As you can see in there, there's no dash. Currently working on putting that panel in. And after I put that panel in, I got another panel that holds all my Dakota Digital and my heater. I got everything sort of laid out here. I don't know why I didn't put this little table thing on here a while ago. Makes it a lot easier. So let's go ahead and get to work. Yeah! Alright, so this is what we have so far for the closing in of that heater portion for the old heater. Plan on building, I have some mounts that I'm going to mount in different places and put the plate on that mounts all of my Dakota Digital and my heater. So let's get to it. Alright, got this panel all mocked up, pretty much mounted in there. It's pretty solid everywhere. Thinking it won't have too much rattling. It will have a noise and heat insulation. This might be one spot I might have to juice up a little bit, but another bolt hole there, which might make it stiffer. All right, on the next project, I'm getting rid of these nut zerks right here. Sorry about that. Getting rid of these nut zerks right here for my fuel pedal, and just weld in some bolts. So I just don't have that one on the other side. Let's get to it. Pretty stoked. New welding mask came in today. I'm really hoping it allows me to see what I'm working on prior to pulling the trigger. The other welding masks I have just aren't cutting it. This is the welding mask I got. Let's open her up. Alright, we got her all opened up. Looks pretty sweet. Came with some batteries and some lenses. Obviously, instruction booklet. Alright, so went ahead and made some little spacers on my pedal. And then I cut this because it just looked ridiculous. I just had it tacked together just to get a good sense of where I wanted it. And I used to have nut zerks in here holding it in, but now I got these studs sticking out. So I'll go ahead and get this cleaned up here and then let her eat. Apparently, this new welding helmet allows me to see, and my welds are a lot better. Alright, here we go. Got the pedal cleaned up. Well, obviously not ready for paint, but it's looking pretty darn good. Having a hard time getting in that arm right here. So when I disassemble it to paint it, I'll go ahead and clean that up. So what we get done today, Grandpa's FC. Let me show you. First of all, got a dope new welding helmet. That thing is the cat's meow. Here we go. Went ahead and worked on my throttle assembly. Put a little spacers in here. There's one right there also. We also took care of the rest of this little patch panel we had for the old heater. We also mounted these little tabs there and there. There's one over there also for my heater panel, heater and gauge panel. So that'll mount right on there. Also welded up, finished welding up my brake pedal mount. Tomorrow I plan on cutting out this portion with the plasma cutter, create a drain right in here. And then once that's complete, I'm going to go ahead and start welding in the floor. That's going to be exciting. All right, guys. Appreciate you watching. And go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe.